Hey, what's going on out there, YouTube? This is your boy Lewis. In today's episode, I'm bringing you a list of 10 commands that you can go ahead and use in your Google browser, but you can also go ahead and use these on browsers that are based out of Chromium, which are Opera, Microsoft Edge, Vivaldi, and you name it out there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the following commands. Alright, first command, it's going to be open up your downloads page. For that, you're going to have to click on Ctrl J. Okay, make sure you go ahead and press those at the exact same time. Ctrl J, there you go. That's able to go ahead and pull up our downloads page right there. Next command, clear your browsing data. For that, you're gonna have to press Ctrl Shift and Delete at the same time. Okay, Ctrl Shift and Delete to go ahead and clear browsing data. That's gonna go ahead and open up this right here, this pop-up, which you can go ahead and select the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Okay, whatever you want to go ahead and do, there you go. After that, just click right there, click clear data. Third command, it's going to be go into incognito mode, which that's going to be Control Shift and N. Okay, there you go. As you can see that right away. Make sure you're cool out there and be careful for whatever you do, because a lot of people think that you can just do whatever and nobody's gonna find out. But I'm telling you, if you go ahead and visit some crazy sites, somebody out there will know. So make sure you're cool out there with that. All right, fourth command is gonna be create a bookmark. Okay, so let's say you want to go ahead and create a bookmark without using your mouse. All of these commands, you don't have to use your mouse. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and, let's say that you're browsing out there and you visit a page that you want to go ahead and save, it's Ctrl D. There you go. That will go ahead and open this up right here where you can go ahead and name your bookmark and just save it. All right, there you go. All right, now next command is going to be save a website. All right, so for that, it's going to be Ctrl S. Then after that, you can just name it whatever, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There you go, and save it. That's the way you save a web page. And after that, you can go into your downloads folder and then just execute it from there. If you want to go ahead and refresh a page, press Ctrl R. There you go, all at the same time. Ctrl R, that will go ahead and do a hard reset, hard refresh. Okay, now if you want to go ahead and go straight into the search box without using your mouse, go ahead and press Ctrl L. As you can see, it went automatically there. You can just type whatever you want, Google or whatever. Okay, Ctrl L. As you can see that, you see the little cursor right there is blinking. We went straight into it without having to use the mouse right there. So Ctrl L will take you straight into there. Now if you want to go ahead and close the entire Chrome window, no matter how many tabs you have or whatever, it's going to be Ctrl Shift W. Okay, Ctrl Shift W will go ahead and get rid of everything. There you go, bam, right there, straight away. There you go. All right, now for this, if you want to go ahead and close the active tab, if all you want to do is just close your active tab, is going to be Ctrl W. So you can see that it closes the only the active tab. All right, now if you want to go ahead and reopen the last closed tab, it's going to be Ctrl Shift plus T. Ctrl Shift plus T will go ahead and open the last tabs that you accidentally closed. All right, and if you want to go ahead and open up more tabs, it's going to be Ctrl T. As you can see that opens up as many tabs as you want. Ctrl T. Now if you want to go into the next tab without using your mouse, it's going to be Control plus your tabulator. Okay, so you can see that if you want to move between there you go. So that's going to do it right here for this video. That was actually 12 commands that I provided to you. I hope these were useful to you. I hope you like them. And I'm definitely going to please ask you to go ahead and like and subscribe. And I'll see you here shortly. Okay, if you know of any other commands, please let me know down there in the comments. All right. So thanks a lot for watching. Peace out there.